Just to add on to it, there's a thing called the 10-year rule. And that basically applies if you're not in a fixed in situ foundation property. It's got to be over 10 foot by 10 foot in dimensions, which is not very big. So it's big enough to get in like a bed, cooker sort of thing. You have to make sure you've got proof that you've been there. Now, the 10-year rule is for mobile stuff, like a caravan, a camper van. Now, if you can prove that you've been living there for 10 years in a caravan, then you can apply for your certificate of ownership, certificate of lawfulness, or whatever they call it, different things in different areas. But the 10-year rule is for like a mobile home. This is one of the rules why they keep moving travellers on. They don't want them to stay in one halting site for more than a certain amount of time, because if we do, they can legally stay there and then sell it. They wouldn't want to stay there, they just sell it. They've done it before. This is why they burn them out in Ireland, because they'll go to a place, they stay there for and they'll leave someone hiding after they get evicted. Say, I've been living there now for 5 years. And then they'll get ownership and then they'll sell it to tourists. So the 10-year rule is basically the same as the 4-year rule, but for mobile homes, caravans, camper vans, tent, perhaps. But then you still got to prove you're living there.